Hi all, you're back on the Happy Tool channel. Today I'm going to give you a tool. Help. You can be automatically search for the potential customer. I'm in a group on Facebook, looking for customers. Where's your potential in the group? These are the members that people just join into those Facebook groups. Here's my example. It's going to be a real estate group like this. You want to find customers. The potential is for people to join into these Facebook groups, right? The first thing you just need to do is copy this group UID. This is the UID of that group. Please copy for yourself. I'll just copy that group UID. Then you just attach that group UID to the software. Then my software helps you scan out all the members of that group. As you can see, this is the interface. Software with me. Then you can choose for yourselves. Go to group scanning feature. Then you can select scan group member. Here, you can enter it for yourself first. The group UID you want to scan. Then you can save this. Then, after choosing, please enter the number of members for yourself that you want to scan. For example, here, you want to scan 1,000 members. Please enter the number of 1,000 members. Come in here. After you have finished the software with you, help you can be automatic search. New members join that group, and help you can be automatically bypass administrator. When it's looking for it, it scans through it. If it goes to the administrator, it will be automatically skipped. It's going to be that you can be automated. It's the members in that group. After choosing, then choose. Give me an account that you want to scan, and then you press start. The software with me is help. You can be automatically search for all the Facebook UID that participated in that group. After you've got a UID file like this, you can completely be automatic. Send a friend a message on Facebook. I also have a tool. Your help can be automatic messaging for this client file of mine. According to the content that you enter into the software, then that software will be the following videos. As you can see, the software is there. It's starting to scan. It's starting to look for new members. Here, wait a minute. As you can see, the software, I have scanned out about 1,000 members. Then after that, you've got a list of 1,000. We have potential customers. You can export it to an Excel file so that people can be saved to their own computers. You just need to let me choose to export data. Then you can click save this. I will now open that file. You see, there is this UID. The first is the member UID that people join. That's the Facebook account name. This is their gender. The time they joined this group. They joined about 2 minutes ago. Well, the participant, 17 minutes, this 20 minutes, this 2. That was 20 minutes ago. An hour ago. 2 hours ago. So this is how I can help you. It could be completely automatic search. Get to your potential customer file. As you can see, the part about I have just helped you. You can scan it out. 1,000 potential customers on Facebook in a Facebook group. After you've got those, this Facebook UID is here. You just need to copy them for yourself. This UID is with me. There is also a tool that help you can be absolutely go text yourself, make friends on the Facebook platform automatically. Then the video. I will be using this software in the following videos. And now my video here is over. Thank you for your interest. Follow if you see it, or give yourself a like, a subscribe, as well as press the notification bell to announce your latest video. Now ask permission. Hi guys, and see you in the next video.